Yo, what is up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I apologize for being gone so long, but I know it's gonna be hard to hear me. Okay, I don't need to hear in the comment section that you can't hear me because my car is too loud. I'm sorry. But if you guys didn't see my last video, you guys will know why I was gone for a little bit. I finally decided to, make a video. Get myself editing again, get myself back into it. If you guys are wondering why I'm in the car today, I'm actually running a little bit late. That's why I'm starting this in the car. I am heading over to Sean's house. If you guys don't remember Sean did my exhaust both times before I got pulled over by the cops and after I got pulled over by the cops. And now we're just going there. We need to weld back on my axle backs because somehow something broke in between there when we were swapping out my clutch and transmission. So yeah, go over to Sean's house for real quick. Then we're going over to our boy Soto's. Soto's gonna hook us up with a crazy fucking tune, and I'll show you guys and tell you what that is later when we are on our way there. Damn, don't you guys miss this car? Spin out, but I actually have to do a full video showing you guys my new front end and now my rear end. The whole back of the car has basically changed, and there's a couple more things coming in the mail still, so I think I might show you now and then show you an update later when that comes in, and maybe I'll do an install video with some of the stuff. You guys can kind of maybe see one part back there. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm not sure. Honestly, really happy to be back here. I'm happy to be making videos again, editing, and overall just driving my car. I finally got the car back. I had it down again for a little bit, working on the rear end, and now it's back. And today I should be good. Only other thing that I have to do to this car is change out my spark plugs. My car has been misfiring and shooting a blinking engine light whenever I'm in high gear. So it just changed out spark plugs. TJ Hunt's actually having the exact same problem with his Coyote. So I feel you, Tej. I feel you. Pick this back up later, guys. I gotta drive for a while. But yeah, it's dumb lit right now. Just got done at Sean's. Going back to Aquila because my dumbass forgot the camera here, so I had to drive all the way back. Alright, so a successful time over at Sean's. We were just quickly in and out of there, so I didn't record. But Sean, dude, thank you so much for fixing the exhaust again. What is this, like the third, maybe fourth time? Oh my god, I don't know. But yeah, so shout out to Sean, dude. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. Now the car isn't making that stupid rattling sound. It doesn't annoy the piss out of me. Now we're on our way over to Soto's. Like I said before, Soto is the guy who did the tuning on my car, and we're going to be throwing on another tune here. And we're just going to chill out there, hang out for a bit, record, and get some chill vibes. Oof. Ooh. Hopefully the camera picked that up. That was good. That was a good little backfire. I like it. Oh man, I can't wait till I get to tell you guys what we're doing to the Mustang today. I also gotta go out and get spark plugs for the misfiring too. So it's a busy day today, honestly. And actually, Chris should be joining us soon here. I hate these railroad tracks, guys. If you guys haven't been to Ohio, you know railroad tracks are the literal worst thing ever. Especially for lowered or slammed cars. My static boys understand how I feel. Alright, so I just got the Sotos. We're gonna see what's up. So what's up to the boys? Oh. I'm actually here with Chris now.
Hello.
What's up? He likes the zoom in, so he's gonna get the zoom in. I don't know if he likes it or not.
Oh, there's a train.
But I was just over at Soto's for a while, just chilling out. I'm a bit hangry, that's why I'm not recording. So we're gonna go out, get some of that Vape Nation juice, and possibly go out to eat. And then I'll show you when we go back there. There's a 240 with an RB25 in it. I'll show you guys that. I don't know why I haven't. I'm a fucking idiot. Warning, the following second of this video may cause you to nut, and by any means this is not my fault. Enjoy. Hey Chris, what do you think of this 240?
Pretty lit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like that Rocket Bunny kit on it though? Rocket Bunny kit with the RB25? Yeah, this thing's pretty insane. Well, what's up guys? I am here with Soto now. I didn't even tell him what we're doing. I've been vlogging the entire day pretty much, except for when I first got here.
What we are going to do is what is known as a crackle and pop tune. It's just a modification of what we already have done, but basically what it does is it disables D-cell fuel cutoff and it alters your ignition maps on D-cell, and it gives you that sound that everybody is looking for with the crackle and pop on your deceleration. So I'm starting off soft. I don't want to go too crazy with it. So let's go out and let's give her a test drive. She's loaded.
All right, let's go.
Fire it up. We're out of the neighborhood. That way we don't upset anybody. She is.
Oh my god. Already.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna have you do is basically we'll get in a good stretch of road and get it up to speed, and then just downshift and let the RPM slow it down.
Yeah.
And just brake it. Yeah, like that.
That's very low third gear RPMs.
Yeah. Yeah. So and that's not even that aggressive yet. So, but that's already really good.
Yeah.
So I don't think we're gonna need to put any more in it. She's banging and popping. Okay, roll it off. There you go.
God damn. Just goes.
Yeah.
Holy fuck, dude. That was just with one little change.
Yeah. So.
Oh, there's a cop.
Yeah, that's fine. Just put it in gear.
I really need to get myself a radar detector now.
Yeah, if you throw it in neutral, it'll just go down to idle and it won't bang and pop like that. But if you're downshifting and letting it engine brake, that's when you get that. So you can make it not do that if you needed to.
That's so much better. Like, it was already popping before, but now it's like,
Yeah, now it's like a machine gun.
yeah. Well, it also takes a lot of that rasp, like the rasp away, because it's cutting it. I hear this with the windows open.
For sure. But like, if you're like, get it up to like 45 miles an hour here, and then just toss it in third and let it engine brake, and then toss it in second and let it engine brake, and you'll.
Then I'll really know.
Yeah, you'll get the full effect of what it's gonna do, because it's gonna pop.
I would like to apologize to my neighbors ahead of hand. You guys didn't like me in the first place, so. Fucking Christ, dude.
I can make it a little less if that's too much for you, or if you like it, I'll leave it. It's up to you.
I can't decide. I love it so much. But then it's like, is it too much? Holy fuck. Dude, I'm like shaking. That's fucking awesome.
And then we'll go right this time so we can avoid that cop.
Yep.
We'll go around the other way.
If we drive by that cop one more time, you're gonna think something suspicious is going on.
Well,
Nothing illegal.
That's my normal test trip anyway, so I think they're kind of getting wise to it.
Yeah.
Find a new area to go test cars. It's okay. There's plenty of country road out that way. It's not a big deal.
Soto's a fucking magician. Like I said last time, guys, he's a magician.
So all I did was I went back in. It's not every car has them. Some car have specific D-cell ignition maps. Some you just have to modify the table. But either way, it's all RPM controlled. So I can go in and I can do the timing retard only at, whatever RPM you want it to. So I'm only pulling timing now above 2,000, below 2,000. It's at factory D-cell maps, which don't bang and pop.
Yeah. Below 2,000 right now, it's not popping.
Nope.
Yep. Yeah.
So it clears up.
Yeah, it's good. Make some popcorn out here.
She like it.
Soto, dude, thank you so much. Once again.
It's my pleasure.
Oh yeah, it does. That other one was just a whole bunch of pops, but they're little. These ones are like spread out pops,
Bang.
but they're huge bangs. Once again, guys, I will leave Soto's Instagram in the description. If you live around Northwest Ohio, Southern Michigan area, come to Soto. Absolute magician, I swear. This dude has pretty much every single type of car you can tune, right?
Yeah,
Like-
there's not much that I don't mess with. Today I got a Gen Coupe here. I got a RB25 240 here.
Yep.
I got a Honda coming later. And
there's a Challenger here.
yeah, I do a lot of Scat Packs, a lot of Hellcats
Yeah.
for sure.
So from muscle to import, Soto has you. Go check him out. Go follow him on Instagram. Go like all of his posts, because he posts a whole bunch of dyno tunes on there. And I don't know, all his videos on there are sick. So
And if you ever have any questions, don't feel afraid to get at me on Facebook or Instagram. I always answer my instant messages. Don't be shy. I'm happy to help.
yep, thank you, dude.
Not a problem, brother.
All right, guys, we're back at my house. It's been one day since. The tune is absolutely amazing. Hopefully at some point I'll be able to get rolling shots for you guys of what it sounds like on the outside of the car. But I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Hope you all have a great rest of your day. And, make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe for more content like this. And, and do me a favor, go check out Soto, go follow him on Instagram, and hit him up if you need some tuning help. Like, please, guys, come on. Right now, we're about to begin recording another video. I will, obviously, in the next video, guys, will see what we're doing. So, you'll just have to wait and see. You want to say anything, Chris? Oh, you want your Zoom?
I'll be here in the next video.
Okay, well, peace out, guys. I love you. Bye.